Hi, my name is Tayfun Yalçın. We are making this video from Vrouw and Vaart Garden in West Amsterdam. Now today we are going to do a hot compost heap, and we are getting ready for all the ingredients. Hot compost is a composting technique if you have time and energy and enough ingredients for making it. The ingredients for four things basically. One is carbon and also called browns, and these are at the moment we have wood chips. This is the browns, or in other ways carbon. We are going to, this is the volume of the compost. And then we have greens, nitrogen part of the compost ready. We are taking all the weeds for the compost. And then the third ingredient is water. We are going to make the compost wet, not very wet, but soaking kind of a wet, that it just doesn't drip, but when we squeeze it, kind of, you can get a few drops out of it. And then the fourth one is the air. This comes with your energy, because we need to turn inside out of the compost regularly. If you have time, this is 3 days. Every 3 days you need to turn it. First 4 or 5 days maybe you can skip, but afterwards every 3 days you need to turn it. If you don't have time, then you can do it maybe once a week, but then it delays the process and then the heat might not be steady. But at the end you will have, in 1 to 2 months, depending on your time and energy, you will have a compost with the ingredients you put inside. The ratio is if you put 3 times carbon, brown material, 1 time green, so it's a bit confusing maybe, but at the beginning, later when you see it once, it's easy. This is our first layer of carbon. Now we are going to put on top of it all the weeds we collected from the garden, and also we have horse manure. We will put it as a layer of this much, and then we will repeat this until we make a heap. And in the middle we are going to put water inside, that it becomes wet. And then we will cover it, and then time to time we are going to turn it inside out regularly, that it becomes in time. Air is penetrated inside, and the water, if needed, we are going to add it. But the same material is going to inside out, repeat. This is going to continue 1 to 2 months, and then we will have our compost ready, fertile compost for our garden. Thank you for watching. See you next time.